Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this top without using any basic patterns. This is so easy to make and you can make it with any type of fabric you want. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let's get started. Pattern, you need any basic pattern. I'm starting with creating this rectangle that is 18 centimeters thick and 34 centimeters long. Then we're going to create this little bow at the front to cover the breast, and for this little bow I decided to go with 10 centimeters long and 4 centimeters thick. That little thing we're going to place right in the middle, and this is the part that's covering our breast. Then we are creating this stripe that we can close the top, and I decided to go with 12 the thickness, and the length would be 50 centimeters. You will need 2 of those. So moving on to the under the breast top, which is just a thick line that I decided to go with 50 centimeters, and the thickness is about 4. Then for the last part is to create this little shape that is 4 centimeters on one side, and then the length of this little thing is 13 centimeters, and you just created this shape, and this is all the things that you will be needing to create this top. For the material you will be needing scissors, measuring band, my pattern, pins, and these 2 little hooks so you can close the top, and of course your fabric. The first step, as always, is to place the pattern on the fabric, measure 1 centimeter for the sewing, and cut out all of the pieces. How the top should look like, I'm starting with the front piece, and I'm gonna sew upper and lower line just so when I flip it inside out I have a nice edges. Then I'm gonna sew straight line on the sides so I can create ruching. Then you're gonna take the other parts of the front piece and just sew the whole piece together, then flip it inside out and connect it with this front piece. Then I'm taking these little pieces and sewing it all the way around, and also flipping them inside out, trying to connect those 2 little pieces together with this longer piece that I ironed 1 centimeter on each side. As you can see here, I'm just gonna connect this part together with the top part so it's a little bit thicker. For the bow, I'm just going to grab a little piece of fabric and flip it inside out and connect it together so it's a nice bow. For the last step is to attach those little hooks on the back so you can close the top, and then you're done. And this is the finishing product. This is how the top looks like. I think it's amazing. It's perfect for the summer. If you create this top in a fabric that contains elastic, I think it will be much more comfortable to wear, but it works with any other type of fabric that you like. So I really hope you find this tutorial useful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like always, if you have any other suggestions of what kind of videos you would like to see on my channel, please comment below. See you till next time. Hej då!